right, we are arriving at Pismo State Beach. So we got site 43 here, which could be the worst spot, but it was available for 2 nights and that's what we needed. It does have a spigot nearby. The restrooms are close, but not too close. That's a good thing. It's not too bad, not too bad. We'll check out some other things in a little bit. There's a lake over there or something. We can check that out. Check out the bathrooms here. Surprisingly, bathrooms are pretty nice. Clean sink, porcelain toilets. It's not too bad. Okay, they do have hot showers here. 2 tokens per dollar, 2 minutes per token. Clean fountains, another good thing. Let's take a look at the shower. Okay, pretty spacious. I think it looks pretty clean. And it does smell like they just maybe cleaned it just before check-in. Not too bad. All right, so if you do get spot 50 on a day that was raining, be prepared for some flooding. So it just rained this morning on our trip over, and that's not a good spot to have. You can see the water's creeping up over there too. Creeping up right onto the campsite, and definitely on the fire pit and the bench. All right, let's take a look at this trail entrance. Guton Trail. It's not a very long trail, but there is a body of water here. All right. And this is not a lagoon from the ocean, I believe. This is a lake. It's a small freshwater lake, and I think there's largemouth bass in here from what I read. These might be some of the nicer campsites, but you might have more traffic at the same time. But you are pretty close to the lake. This lake is right by the ocean. Zoom out. Not a bad morning stroll. You can see my element. It's way down over there. Yeah, again, some of these spots, 79, 80, a lot closer to the water. But it's also right on this trail. So you could think of that as a good thing or a bad thing. All right, I'm gonna head back. I'm not really up for a long walk or anything like that. I'm up for a nap. So here's a look at our sleeping arrangement. There's my son sleeping. He fell asleep real fast. I wish I could. Next up was a trip to Oceano Beach where we went clamming, and I forgot to do any kind of filming there. But if you look here, here's some of the clams we got. They're huge. They have to be 4.5 inches to be kept. It was a long day, so I did not feel like cooking. So we ate at Jocko's Steakhouse. It was excellent. All right, morning. It's still a little brisk. A few more campers came last night or in the evening sometime. We actually slept pretty comfortably. There's a lot of workers out already doing some maintenance stuff and cleaning. It seems like they cleaned the bathroom immediately or something. It's like, you know, I went in there this morning and it already had the smell of cleaner already, so that's good. It was really nice and clean. The squirrels are out and about. Yeah, this is really one of the nicest, cleanest campgrounds I've been to. If the weather was a little bit warmer, it would be even more perfect. All right, so we went clamming yesterday. So today we're gonna go onto the beach, drive onto the beach and try some fishing. All right, using that kitchen kit, we're gonna cook up some of the clams that we caught yesterday. All right, not really sure what to do, so we're just gonna boil them. See how they turn out. All right, we're gonna give it a shot. These giant Pismo clams, look at the size of those things. These things are actually really tasty. All right, I forgot to take footage yesterday, but this is Oceano Beach. This is where we caught all the clams yesterday too. But today we're gonna go fishing. And here in Oceano, you can take your car on the sand. They do recommend 4x4. This is a wimpy all-wheel drive, but I think it'll do. There are people down there that actually take trailers, so that's pretty brave. Let's see how well we do fishing. Ethan's the first to get his line in the water, and I won't be getting any fishing footage because I'll be busy fishing. I'm not going to film while I'm having fun. And I lied, I'm taking some video. Matthew got the first perch of the day. Let's hope it's one of many. All right, Ethan's on board too. Matthew 2, Ethan 1, Dad 0.
I got 2 actually.
Oh shoot, that's right. Ethan 2, Matthew 2, Dad 0. Dad sucks. Well, I started off slow, but I caught up. Ethan 10, Dad 6, Matthew 2. After fishing, we decided to go to Pismo for some lunch, so we're going to explore the town and get some lunch. All right, this is our stop. All right, gonna do some bowling. I sure do suck at bowling. Ethan 1, Matthew 1, Dad 0. Final morning here. We're leaving on the best day. Look at the sun. No clouds. It's warm, but it's time for us to go. It's a really good campsite and really nice clean bathrooms. And with a nice lake right there. But we're done and we're off back home. We met up with Ethan for one last stop for breakfast, and then it was time to hit the road again.